po natin. Hello guys. So for today, nagbabalog po tayo about sa mga ginagawa ng mga classmate namin ngayon. It's about acting right here.
What's happening?
Ito yung kumanta ng Good For You.
Anong good for? Anong good for you?
Good For You. Kailan liga din eh.
Ano to? So parang day. Come here. Tara. Tara. Okay. So guys, we're about to explain this shit. Okay. What's up guys? Oh, dali. Hello guys. So good day, bibili kayo dito sa magaganda mga dilaga nito na ako. Pipili kayo kung sino yung mga pinakamagandang mga dilaga dito. So guys, it's very crazy right now. Alaman na lang natin mga Sinong pili niya? Sinong pili niya sa mga babae na yan? Wala, no comment. Sinong pili mo sa mga babae na yan? Mga magagandang dilaga.
Ano na?
Sinong pili mo doon?
Si Rixie?
Si Rixie? Ay, sexy! Sexy Noah! Bumaba pa nga. Camera. Ito ang ating cameraman pero babae ngayon. Si Lyrel. Oh.
Yes.
Si Lyrel. Oh. What you can see? What you can see?
Oh my god.
Ah! Bro, scream at the top of his lungs. That's pretty crazy.
Ah!
Bro, so what are your comments for this type of person?
Oh no? Kanina kaya kakanta ka ba? Sino kakantahan mo? Very sexy.
Very sexy.
10 out of 10. Miss Universe na yan. Para saan to?
Para sa Filipino.
Para sa...
Filipino.
Para daw kaya na yung mic. Kanino?
So guys, for today, ang gawin natin ngayon is...
May crush daw po si ano.
Uy! Wag na. For today, nagagawa po yung mga friends ko ng kahit anong ginagawa nila. Okay? Ito wigs for the Filipino time. Okay?
Filipino?
Yeah. Yung gagawin kaya natin is very psychological. Very crazy. Wala kami masyadong magawa. Kami tinatamad ng...
May quiz kami mamaya sa mat itong ginagawa namin.
Ito yung aming daily review sa sa gagawin namin sa mat. Unfortunately, hindi kami mag-aaral. Ang gagawin namin is susot lang ng wig sa quiz. Oh! Tinamaan. Oh, dali. We can see that this Lyrel.
Huwag mong video sa akin.
Hayaan mo, you look like a mouse, bro. Dapat kung bababa tayo, dapat kasama ako kanina. Uy! So apparently, you know this guy? Guys, it's a friend of mine. Why he walking like that? Man, nasa video tayo to. Tol, nasa video tayo. Don't say shit, man. Baka kayo yung tawag ito? Yung plan sa zombie stories, Zombie,
5 times negative 2, negative 10 plus 8.
Ito tayo guys, wala pa naman siya yung magawa at may quiz tayo.
Ayun nga. So today I will point to you to my story about quiz on math. My expectation score is 1. Anong score na in-expect mo?
Kasi ang alam ko daw is 13 items sila, over 30 yung score talaga total.
Score ko 2 points. Anong score mo? Ay, wala.
No.
Anong score ang in-expect nyo? What's your score?
In-expect ko is baka ma-perfect ko pa yung arithmetic means daw kasi dito sa let's say
Sa geometry!
Okay, harap. Dito sa
Yes, baby. Number one. That's 1.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yeah, I guess that's about it. Mamaya ulit mag-vlog yata kami about sa mga ginagawa namin sa
Saan yun?
Test one.
Sequence.
Yeah. Geometric and arithmetic sequence. You're just gonna find common ratio and common difference, or you just gotta write neither. That's
Paano ka maghanap ng common difference? Malagay mo paano magkano ang carbon
Ace to 1, Ace to N is Ace to N minus Ace to 1 minus Ace to 1.
Ano, putak?
Ace to N minus Ace to 1.
Sulat nyo nga.
Over N minus 1.
Hi.
Tranton.
Ace to N.
Mahina yung map.
N minus 1. N minus 1. And we also will think for the cover difference is A2 plus A1 over 2.
Ha?
A1 plus A2. A to 1 plus A to 2 over 2.
No, it's A sub 2 tas over A sub 1.
Wala!
Well, yes, tama ka. Pero,
Kulang!
mas pa naman sila eh.
Oh, arithmetic means yun.
Init nung ano.
Arithmetic means. May ano pa kasi may two solutions kasi lagi mo also. What you have to do is yung multiply B or ipa-plus mo lang yung dalawa.
Ito, formula ng geometric sequence.
Well, I guess di yata kasama sa akin.
Di!
Wala na ito yung hahaba.
Nanonood yan si anime.
Treat me like Reggie. Don't get me daddy.
Pagyan ako dito.
Ano naman yan?
Treat me like Reggie.
Ginugulo ako nito. Ako na camera. Ano?
No, ako nga. Oh, sige, mag-report ka na ng balita.
Camera ako. Tara.
Balance mo boy.
Barbetos tawag. Another one, bro. There's
Kuya, 150 lang. Kuya.
I'm Ivala Balaga, ang diwatang galing sa kuweba.
Wow, that's crazy, bro. Ano sasama mo sa buhay? What's your motto?
Kung meron kayong kanin, di na kailangan magluto ng ulam. Ako na lang kalagin nyo.
Not a speech with me. So next part is two girls out there kasi nakapuyat pang dalawa. Oh, so ano? So ano po pangalan niyo?
Si Rexy.
Ano po ang motto niyo po sa buhay? What is your motto?
Teka ha, iisipin mo muna.
So,
Serbisyo ang magbisyo.
so ito po ang motto niyo po daw. At ito po yung ating next na sasabihin pa natin. Nakalungkot. Ano po pangalan niyo?
Binyag na yan sila.
Q&A po. Maganda ka ba o pangit?
Bosin yung 20 mo. Mukha mo yung nanay mo. For the crowd.
So guys, ano question? What is your fishbowl to? So apparently siya din sinabi ni Moto guys. So pili kayo guys. In this one and only yung naiwan natin. What's your name?
Tyrell. Jack Olkita.
Jack Okita. Okay. So what is your motto? Kill yourself. That is very iconic for a person who wakes up every day because of God's blessing. That's crazy. So, this is our four, I guess. Is it four? Is it four? Four of our main barbetas. And we have a one blessing type, one crazy man. Very crazy. So guys, we are now starting eating. This is after of the
Wala po kaming ganun.
Ano yan?
Your name is Posey. I heard that. Maynila. What's your motto? Her name is Posey and her motto in life is Posey. Okay. I can agree.
Utang ina mo.
I can definitely sometimes we don't know what to do. Like we just have to say some random things randomly in type of video like this because we're not like very What's your name? Uta! His name is Uta or something like that.
Is to keep in life because the life is good and the life is living we have.
I completely don't understand what's happening right now. It's very out of God. So apparently, guy is playing right now, and I think he's playing a game, so I'm gonna go through. It's working, it's working.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's working. No.
Hindi ayun. My name is unknown.
His name is really unknown and we don't know because just playing a weird game. Whoever pays me by, he works hard for it. Very crazy for a type of person to be playing that type of game while you're doing a perfect combo. Let's say it's like 6. I already have a team like 6. So see as that surrounding everywhere. Going. All of us now look at this spot. Look. So this spot right here. Doing this good. They don't know. First test is arithmetic geometrical meter. It's a random consciousness, right? We don't need those. We don't know. And I have this type of person. So what's your name? So his name is Sulsul Boris Kuskus. Sir, what is your motto in life? That is very controversial for a human being like that, guys. We don't know what is the main cause of guys with scrumptious jigs like those. And we still have the 4 contenders right here. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are 4 contenders for the, let's say, the Filipino. We have a rock star here. I don't know what this guy's doing. There's the other one right here. Hindi natin alam kung ano gagawin natin ngayon at we're just like actually bored. But later we have a quiz, so we're getting like this type of stress and headache in the first test and the second test of this quiz. We don't know. Of course, she said it 3 times right now. You said pussy right there. You said pussy right here. You said pussy, like, what is happening right now? I don't know what's happening right now. It's being crazy, bro. We gotta cut it. Cut that shit, bro. Cut that shit. Bro, we got cut the vid, bro. Cut the vid. Cut the vid.